In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove, mute, and pin people in Google Meet. Whether you're running class, a team sync, or a large webinar, these tools help you control what you see, cut background noise, and keep the meeting on track. We'll start right from Google Calendar, since that's where many meetings live. Open your calendar, click the event with the Meet link, and choose Join with Google Meet. On the preview screen, make sure your camera and mic settings look good, then click Join Now to enter the call. Let's pin someone so they stay front and center. Move your mouse over the video tile of the participant you want to focus on. A small menu appears. Click the pin icon. You'll be asked whether to pin for myself only or for everyone. For myself only changes just your view, which is great when you need to follow a presenter or an interpreter. For everyone pins that person for the whole meeting, which only hosts or co-hosts should do when you're directing attention, like during a presentation. To unpin, click the pin icon again. Next, let's mute a participant. Click the people icon to open the participant list. Find the person you need to quiet, then click the microphone next to their name. Confirm by choosing mute. This immediately stops their audio for everyone. Keep in mind, you can't unmute someone. Participants control their own microphones, so if you muted them for noise, let them know in chat or verbally that they're muted and can unmute when ready. Finally, removing someone from the call. Still in the People panel, open More Actions, the three dots, beside the participant's name. Choose Remove from the call and confirm by clicking Remove. This disconnects them right away. Use this when someone joins accidentally or is disrupting the meeting. Depending on your settings, they may need to request to rejoin, so be prepared to admit them again if it was a mistake. A quick note on permissions. Typically, only the meeting host or co-host can pin for everyone, mute others, or remove participants. If you don't see these options, ask the host to promote you or handle it for you. Also, layouts vary a bit, but the people icon usually lives near the top right of the Meet window. That's it. You joined from Calendar, pinned the right speaker, muted background noise, and removed someone when necessary. These small controls make your meetings smoother and more respectful for everyone. If this was helpful, practice these steps in a test meeting so they're second nature before your next big session.